Good morning. So today is the day that I am about to go get my laser. So I know a lot of you guys know that I do the laser treatments on my face and my underarms, but I know I have 2 videos already on my page. But I said, you know what, I'm going to do what I do to prepare for my laser hair appointment, which is just as important as getting my laser, so that I can be prepped properly. There are no mistakes done or anything during my laser treatment, because I just don't get up and just go. You do have to kind of sort of a little mild preparation for it. So I wanted to show you guys what exactly that I do. Okay, so first thing first, what I like to do is wash my face. I already have my hair pulled back, and the face wash that I'm going to use is the Arcona. I love any kind of, get that to focus. I love any kind of Arcona products. They are really good. And this is the white tea purifying cleanse. Now the thing about it is, before you go to your laser hair appointment, you do have to make sure that your skin is nicely clean. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in my hand. And you have to make sure that your face is nicely clean. But the thing about that is, you don't want to use anything that has perfume in it, because if you use anything that has like perfume in it, it's like it'll burn your skin basically. No nice way of even saying that. Any kind of like oily, perfumey things. So I try to not to do any moisturizers, even though she says I can use moisturizer. I think she said I can use like Cetaphil and things like that, but I don't like that moisturizer. So to be honest, I literally just wash my face only, just to be on the safe side. Because like I've been burnt before in the past, not by her, but like going to get a touch up in another state that I should have no business doing. But I've been burnt before in the past, and it's like no joke, it's like worse than a sunburn. So I try to make sure that you know, I don't put on any moisturizer. I just bring my moisturizer with me, and afterwards I just put it on, because you need moisturizer. I know a lot of y'all like, oh my gosh, you don't put on moisturizer, because like you need moisturizer after you wash your face, especially people with dry skin. But honestly, you'll be fine until you get to your appointment, and then do it after. So yeah, I just wash my face, lather it up with my hands, and then I'll just take a lukewarm towel. I'm really trying to get into using it as cool as possible, because I've noticed, and people always tell me this in the past, that you shouldn't really use scorching hot waters on your skin. Now one thing that I probably will always do is take a hot steaming shower, because I do like a hot shower, but I'm trying to go cooler on my face, because I noticed that, you know, in the winter we all get a little bit dry. So the next thing that I like to do is shave. And no, I'm not going to put on any kind of shaving cream or anything like that, because realistically, you just don't do it. I'm not even gonna say need it. Don't do it. It has fragrance and stuff in it like that. So stay away from anything with fragrances, oils, or anything that will be flammable towards this laser. So I'm gonna go ahead and shave my face. This is the razor that I am using. It doesn't have to necessarily be anything fancy. I got a pack of these from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree or whatever, and you just have to shave your face before you go. Do not wax it. I highly recommend just shaving it. So I'm just gonna wet my face just a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to shave. Now today I'm only getting my face done, so I only need to shave my face. Oh, and I have to be careful, you guys, because my hair is red and it was a little wet and it kind of touched my skin. So you want to, y'all, be very careful. I don't know how many times they expressed that, but yeah. I'm just going to shave, because I'm just doing my face today. I only do my underarms. I only do my underarms once a year at this point, because the body takes really good, way better than the face. With the face, I probably get like 3 touch-ups a year. In the summertime though, for some odd reason, I grow a lot of hair. So and more importantly, make sure that you get your mustache. And that's basically it. Now, a lot of people ask me if it hurts. It doesn't hurt, but sometimes it is like really discomfort for my lips. So make sure that you wipe everything off nicely, get all that loose hair off. And that's basically it. But one tip that I do want to give you guys, because I'm not gonna lie, the laser doesn't hurt, but my lip, if you get laser, you know what I'm talking about. That lip is no joke. So I will take me 2 Advils before I go get my laser procedure done. Okay guys, so anytime that you come and get your laser, if you're not going to a place that's making you fill out paperwork, just like at any doctor's office, you need to beware, okay? And then it also has directions on here as well, as I was showing you guys the prep that I was doing before I got my laser. So yeah, I'm about to fill this out, and we have to fill this out every time I get a laser done, so keep that in reminder. So just left my appointment, and like I told you guys, I bring my moisturizer with me, and it will not focus. Okay, I'm gonna leave all the products anyway that I use down below, but yeah, I just bring my moisturizer with me, and I simply just put it on myself right after the appointment. So you don't, like I said, don't worry about not putting on moisturizer or any of that. Your skin will be just fine. So right after the appointment, and you just moisturize your face. And make sure you get underneath your neck. A lot of people do not moisturize underneath their neck. And voila, there you go. And that's it. That's the only thing that you need to do to prepare for your laser appointment. Afterwards, you just want to make sure that you don't exfoliate for like at least like 7 days, or do like any micro needling or anything. Any micro needling or anything or chemical peels, you need to wait 2 weeks after laser has been applied to your skin. And that's it.